buy food naman kami for the day. This is the day to picture. Wow! This is the first time I went to Thai food. Ito, hindi ko siya alam sa tao. Pero ang sarap naman, experience. And ito rin, masarap naman mango shrimp with crab na hilaw. Sarap naman siya. Ito yung the best yung mango sticker rice. Sarap. Super sarap niya. So now, after the evening na, ito kami sa Hajime. Hajime is so beautiful. Ganda yung very colorful. Very clean talaga kasi nakapagod. As you can see, ayan, the James and walk. Kasi busog na kami, so we want to walk and to see the beauty of Singapore. This one is beautiful Hajime style. They're all parks. They're parks dyan sa kanila. And now we go to Marina Bay Sands. So beautiful building and also the park. Nakaka-relax. Capturing the moments and the beauty of Singapore. I mean, I really the pictures. You know, so wonderful, guys. It's very beautiful, wonderful, amazing looking and beautiful too. Yeah, napakaganda. It's Janine. Hi, guys. Remember the night kami, day for namin. Try kami, papunta naman kami sa Universal Studio. We wanna try the bus. Yeah, and then my sister and Janine, of course. And hi, this is my sister. And now we're going to Universal Studio. We're going to do the city. Selfie CR, babasa-basa po sa Universal Studio. Anyway, ako nagutom kami ng eat first. Kasi syempre, habang medyo malayo rin siya, guys. Pero ang saya naman namin, kain-kain na. Kasi ito, posing-posing, nakapasok ko sa loob. It's actually 1,000 Singaporean dollars yung bayad dyan. Para siguro 4,000 plus yun, guys. Pero it's beautiful. It's very, parang ang ganda niya talaga ba? You can't compare it to Enchanted. Pero, ayun, the same, meron naman magkakaibang beauty yung mga countries. So, siguro magkakaiba din siguro yung mga standards. Pero, yan, sobrang ganda naman inside. And the next time I come back, siguro dalhin ko dyan yung kids para ma-enjoy din nila. Kasi ang ganda, pang bata talaga siya as in. And also, as I say, it's safe there, it's discipline, it's clean, and it's wonderful. Talagang sobrang wow. I'm gonna say wow. Yan, maraming tourists dyan actually. Maraming kids dyan. Napunta, tsaka mga bata. Ayan sila. Then, try to ride my chains a little bit. Kasi hindi na ako ganun ka-type mag-rides. Listen, chains. Selfie na naman si Ate. And that's it for now, guys. See you for the next vlog. Bye. Follow me, Mommy Charm.